What if I told you that one of the dirtiest creatures on Earth lands on your food almost every day? It buzzes around garbage, rotting meat, animal waste. Then seconds later, it lands on your lunch. It's the fly. Small, fast, annoying, but far more dangerous than most people realize. Houseflies can carry hundreds of harmful bacteria, viruses, and parasites on their tiny bodies. Every time they land, they may leave behind germs collected from some of the filthiest places imaginable. And flies don't even eat the way humans do. They vomit digestive fluids onto food, dissolving it before sucking it back up. That means when a fly lands on your meal, it may already be contaminating it. But despite their disgusting
Flies are among the most successful insects on Earth. They live almost everywhere humans exist. Cities, forests, farms, even deserts. And their survival abilities are extraordinary. A fly's eyes contain thousands of tiny lenses, giving it nearly 360-degree vision. That's why swatting a fly is so difficult. Flies can detect movement incredibly fast, much faster than humans. Scientists discovered that flies experience time differently. To a fly, human movement appears slower, allowing them to escape danger in milliseconds. Their wings beat around 200 times every second. And despite their tiny size, flies are powerful navigators. Some species can travel surprisingly long distances, searching for food and breeding grounds. But perhaps their greatest strength is reproduction. A single female fly can lay hundreds of eggs in just a few days. Those eggs quickly hatch into larvae, better known as maggots. And while maggots may seem horrifying, they play a critical role in nature. They break down dead animals and organic waste faster than many other organisms. Flies are nature's cleanup crew.
Throughout human history, flies have been linked to disease outbreaks. Because they constantly move between waste and food, flies can spread dangerous pathogens. Typhoid, cholera, dysentery, food poisoning. In crowded environments with poor sanitation, fly populations can explode. And where flies thrive, disease often follows. That's why modern sanitation systems are so important. Trash management, clean water, food protection. These simple systems help reduce fly-borne illnesses worldwide. But flies are not only dangerous. In medicine, maggots are sometimes used to help heal wounds. Doctors discovered that certain maggots consume dead tissue without harming healthy flesh. This process, called maggot therapy, can help clean infected wounds. Scientists also study flies in genetics and neuroscience. The tiny fruit fly has become one of the most important animals in scientific research. Because despite their size, flies may hold secrets that help humanity understand disease, aging, and even the brain itself. Sometimes the creatures we hate the most are also the ones teaching us the most.
Flies may seem annoying and disgusting, but they are survivors. They clean ecosystems, feed animals, and adapt faster than almost any creature on Earth.
The next time a fly buzzes around your room, remember, you are looking at one of nature's oldest and most successful survivors.